So the purpose of this video is to give you a walkthrough of how to sign up for your Khan Academy account. It's the first thing you need to do in the class, so make sure you follow the steps and do this. So first step, go to khanacademy.org. When you do that, you'll come to a page like this. If you're logged into Facebook or Google, something might pop up at the top. Doesn't matter. What we need everybody to do is click this link right here. Underneath Facebook, underneath Google, there's a link that says sign up with email. Right, so I'm going to tap on sign up with email. You'll put in your name here. I'm going to put in a fake name. I'm going to call myself test student. And my email is going to be bvhteststudent@gmail.com. I'll then put in my birthday, which is January 1st of, let's say 1917. That sounds good. You don't want to put in your real birthday. You want to put in your real email address. And then we click sign up. It'll come back and say, hey, we've sent you a message there. Follow the link there to create your account. So then what you'll need to do is follow that link to open up your email. Okay, so here I am at my email. Sure enough, there is, make this go away, there's an email here from Khan Academy Accounts. Right, so we click on that, and it comes up and says, hey, you need to finish signing up. Click on that link. Not a big deal. So then it's going to come back and say, hey, we know what your email was, we know what your name was, we just need to know some other things about you. So, tell us male or female, that's an optional question. And then you need your username and your password. So this is what you are going to use to log in to Khan Academy. So make it something that you can remember. Make it something that you're not going to forget. Okay? So I'm going to make my username test student, I hope. And I'll type in a password. Turns out that username is already taken, so you'll have to find something that's not used. Using your email address is a great idea, so you could do bvh.test.student. Whatever your email address is, use that. And click on sign up. Okay, so they have to start with a letter and they have to be alphanumeric, which means you can't put in periods and you can't put in this. So keep going until you find something that's going to work. And just like that, we're done, right? So if you want to see what to do, you can click that. Otherwise, I can say no thanks for the moment. The next big thing you have to do, and this is huge, right? Over on the left-hand side, all the way at the bottom, there's a link that says coaches, right? Your coaches are effectively your teachers, right? So whether you have one teacher this year, whether you have 2 math teachers this year, whatever situation you're in, you're going to want to go to coaches to do this. So you click on coaches. What will come up here is the option to enter a class code or a coach ID. Your teacher should have in class given you a class code. That's where you're going to type that code in. I'm not going to type one in here because we don't have that code set up and I'm not a part of that class. But in class, you should have gotten that one. When you click that, you should be able to then click join class and you will be able to join that class on Khan Academy. Once you've done that, you're effectively ready to go. You've set up your account. Make sure you remember your username and your password because you're going to use it a lot this year. And then, make sure you put in that class code. Hope that made sense. If you've got any questions, be sure to ask them and get this stuff figured out. I'll see you in class.